Since it's Pride Month, I thought I'd match my makeup to my rainbow earrings. I actually made these earrings myself. It was really easy to do. I literally just made it out of clay, put it in the oven, and voila, we have some rainbow earrings. So to match these earrings, I thought I should do my iconic rainbow swipe. We're going to do a rainbow across the face, we're going to add some hearts, some clouds, all of that good stuff. But today I thought I'd show you how I actually do it. First, you're going to need a flat brush. These are literally paint brushes off of Amazon, and I just use them for face makeup instead. And I'm going to use these eye paints from Glisten Cosmetics. You can use water activated eyeliners if you like, but I'm going to use these instead today. And what you want to do is you want to take a palette. I have lost my palette, so you want to take a very clean surface to put all of your paints on. Okay, so first I'm going to use the yellow. Next to that, we're going to place the orange. And then we're going to place the red, green, blue, and purple. Now we've got all of our colours together, we want to take the paintbrush and we're just gonna dab it in. Just like that. Like, look how satisfying and rainbowy that looks already. And here comes the fun part. We are now going to swipe it across our face. We're probably going to need to do this in like more than one go though. Like, look at that. We're going to go back in again. Gonna keep dipping back in. Okay, now we're going to take a very small brush and we're just going to dip into each individual colour and we're just kind of going to fill in any like sparse areas. It is time to add some clouds, so I'm going to use the white and we're going to add some little tiny cute clouds. Now we have the clouds, it is time for some stars, and to do this I'm going to use this white liner from Glisten Cosmetics. But first, I'm going to add a load of dots. Okay, I think this is enough stars. I love how this looks. And this is the final look for matching my makeup to my earrings. I absolutely love how this turned out. And I hope you guys liked the little tutorial as well. Happy Pride Month!